guys, Miss Charlie here with an unboxing or unbagging. I got my first Shop Miss A order. First time I've ever placed an order with them. I do have a few things from Shop Miss A, but they were gifted to me from my bestie. But I've seen a lot of people try their stuff and some of it looks to be pretty good. So I wanted to go ahead and grab a couple things and test them out and see how they are. So we're gonna go ahead and open up this bag. All right, so these are all the things that I picked up just to try out some things to see, you know, to test the brand. And all of these are from AOA Studio, which is most of the things on Shop Miss A. I got this little lip brush because I have one and it's getting a little old. So I got this little lip brush. It's really cute. And you can just put it like that. So you have a longer handle because mine is a shorter handle, but I like that I can use this and make it a longer handle. So I wanted to get a new lip brush. Then I got this black eyeliner. This is the LA color, so I guess this one is not AOA Studio. So the only thing I didn't get was this LA color eyeliner pencil. I've never seen them this long before. And it has a built-in sharpener here, which is really cool. I didn't open it. I opened the rest of them, but that's pretty cool that it has a sharpener in there. I didn't even notice that, but I got another black liner. This Hold My Brow Clear Long Wear Brow Soap. I like the e.l.f. Brow Lift, and I did like the Anastasia Brow Freeze, but the one I had molded. I've seen a couple people where theirs molded. The e.l.f. one has not molded on me, which is weird, but the e.l.f. one is cheaper. The Anastasia one I got in a BoxyCharm, so wasn't really worried about it, but I like the e.l.f. one, so I'd like to try this one, and I like that it's in one of these little slidey pots. If you are my age, you would recognize these from when we were growing up, where it had lip balms in them. Yep, lip balms came in here, so that's what it looks like. It looks like a little brick of soap. It doesn't have a smell, so we're gonna try that out and see if it holds my brows. These eye tapes, these are good for, you know, liner and things like that, and they're just like these ones I also have from e.l.f. They look exactly the same as the ones from e.l.f. And again, only $1, you get 48 pieces. The e.l.f. ones used to be $1 and you got 40. So you get more in here for 8 more in here for $1. So I'm gonna try those out, see if they work like the e.l.f. ones. The Perfect Setting Powder. This is a white powder. This is matte translucent. I like a white powder because I will mix it with a powder that is more red. I'm not gonna open that up yet, but we will see how it works. I have a couple white powders in my collection that I really enjoy. This is a cream blush. This is Cream Sheer Blush in Hush Blush, and this is in Merlot. And that's just a pretty wine cream. I don't have a lot of cream blushes, but I thought this was really cute, so we'll try it out. It kind of reminds me of the Wet n Wild one that I have that is in Mellow Wine. It kind of reminds me of that, but in a cream form, so we will test it out and see how that goes. These Magic Makeup Remover Sticks, you get 15 in here. I believe that you break the tip and then a little serum or whatever comes out, makeup remover comes out, so that you can touch up if you need to. Yep, and that's how they come. And you just break the little tip, and then what am I trying to say? Words. The makeup remover is in the little part right here, so when you break the tip, it'll go up here so that you can remove any makeup or touch up. So those are cute. Those would be great for traveling as well, and you get 15 for $1. Those back in there. I got the Shadow Stay eyeshadow primer. This is in natural. It's really light, but that's okay. I don't really need any eyeshadow primer, but I thought I'd try it out for $1. Hey, we'll see how it goes. And then I bought these little cotton puffs and this triangle velvet puff. These are really, really cute and soft. I'm not going to take them out and get them dirty, but they're really cute. And you get 2 of them for $1. And then this triangle velvet puff is really nice as well. It's really, really soft. The ones I've been using are these from Amazon, and this one is starting to tear apart. I have the pink one as well, as it came in a duo. This is softer than this one, but this is still soft. And then I also have the one from Cnutbutrbeauty. These two feel exactly the same. This one is a little bit whiter, a little bit bigger, but this one and this one, they feel exactly the same. They feel so pillow soft. But I will let you know how they work and give my thoughts on it. But those are really, really cute little puffs. All right, so those are the things that I just got in from my first Shop Messé order. I can't wait to try these. Some of these will probably go in my project pan for the month of April, and I'll give you my thoughts on them. Let me know if you shop from this website and your thoughts and the items that you purchased, and if you have any suggestion, please let me know. I'll be glad to try them. And I thank you all for being here. Appreciate you so very, very much. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram, and we'll see you in the next video.